Hello students, let's discuss the question. In this question we are given that let R be the relation in the set n where n is representing the natural number given by the R which is equals to a comma b such that a is equals to b minus 2 where b is greater than 6. So we have to choose the correct answer which is satisfying this condition. So basically here we are given the relation R which is a comma b such that a is equals to b minus 2 and there is another condition for b where b is greater than 6. So here we are having the set AB and AB is to be in AB to be in relation. So there are certain condition for this. First condition is that A must be equals to B minus 2 and the second condition is that B must be greater than 6. So here we are going through option by option starting with the part A, option 1. So option 1 is given to us which is 2 comma 4. So 2 comma 4 we are going to put this value in the equation. So 2 comma 4 is representing A is 2 and B is 4. So our first condition is A is equals to B minus 2. So A is 2, B is 4. So 4 minus 2. 2 is equals to 2 is here. First condition is satisfied but the second condition is B must be greater than 6. But here 4 is not greater than 6. So this is not the correct option. So option 1 is not correct. Now we are considering the option B. So our option B is 3 comma 8. So the value of A is equals to 3 and that of B is equals to 8. So the condition is that first condition is that A must be equals to B minus 2. A is equals to 3 and B is equals to 8 minus 2. 3 that is equals to 8 minus 2 is 6. 3 is not equals to 6. So this is not the correct option. Now we are considering the part C. So option C is given to us which is 6 comma 8. So the value of A is equals to 6 and that of B is equals to 8. The relation is A is equals to B minus 2. So A is equals to 6, B is equals to 8 minus 2 that is equals to 6. So 6 is equals to 6. First condition is satisfied here. Second condition is B must be greater than 6. So 8 is here greater than 6. So we can say that C is the correct option. C is the correct option. We can also discuss the part D, but we got the correct answer here. But the part D is that the value of A is equals to 8 and that of B is equals to 7. The first condition is that A is equals to B minus 2. So A is equals to 8 that is equals to 7 minus 2. So 8 is not equals to 5. So this is also incorrect. So the correct option is option C which is 6 comma 8 belongs to R. So 6 comma 8 belongs to R is the correct option. So students, in order to solve this problem we use the basic concept of relations and functions. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.